This 2019 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton Series 22 RBS Cougar is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Palm Desert, California, 92211 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Palm Desert. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.